This certificate is awarded to Dr. Anoopkumar T and team, along with Gap Diagnostics Limited, for the launch of AG Chitra Tuberculosis Diagnostic Kit. It is an open platform kit to facilitate affordable, fast, and accurate diagnosis of pulmonary tuberculosis. After successful independent validation, CDSCO approved the kit for manufacturing and commercialization. On an average globally, 10.5 million people are infected with TB every year. Early detection of cases will have a significant impact. 2030 has been estimated target year of TB eradication by WHO. As per NIH, the TB incidence in India is around 2.77 million in 2022. National launch of AG Chitra Tuberculosis Diagnostic Kit was on the 8th of April 2024. Unique features of the kit include a rapid and sensitive test that can be performed in less than 1 hour, a novel real-time lamp, isothermal assay protocol. The test shows an accuracy of 97.71%. Cost-effective, open platform technology for TB diagnosis. Can be used with any qPCR machines. Indigenously developed and protected by IP. The strong partnership of Gap Diagnostics Limited would help the product to reach the patient population very soon. Efforts are being made to include this kit in the National Tuberculosis Control Program. This TB diagnostic kit would make a significant difference in screening the population for tuberculosis.